So now Python programming to find the maximum spanning tree using Prim's algorithm. In this, the Python to find the minimum tree. If this is the diagram, okay. Now it's weighted tree. It will only go like so. What we try to see here is, say for example, we have this diagram A B C D E F G. AB, the weight is 1. BC, the weight is 3. CD, the weight is 4. DE, the weight is 3. EF, the weight is 3. And we have FA, the weight is 1. And we have got BG as the weight is 3. And GF, the weight is 3. Okay. So now with the first thing that we do is we sort the vertices and widths. So we sort it like first comes 1, which is AB. Then comes this BG is 3, 2, and also GF is also 2. Okay, so first comes AB, then the two things, next comes BG, next comes GF, next comes the tree BC, then DE and EF and CD. Okay, so now since let us check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We skipped one. Yeah, FA. Yeah, so how do we start with the minimum spanning tree? We first select either 1, which is AB, or 1 which is AB or FA. So we'll select AB. Next I have an option of 2 BG or GF I can't, so BG. Next I'll select after BG is over, I have FA also, so FA. Okay, now my AB, FA and BG is over. Now GF. See, GF over here, if you close this, it becomes a closed graph, a cyclic graph, which we should skip. So we'll skip this. Next we got BC. Okay, now BC is done. Then we got DE. DE. So D and E. Okay, so D done. Next we got EF. EF over here also. Remember EF we can write. So EF over. Now CD. If you write CD, it closes over here, so you don't write. So that's where we come from. CD also we strike. Now for this graph or trees, this is the minimum spanning tree. Okay, so we drew a small graph over here, that is again. So I just redrew the diagram. Okay, so remember, for any tree, the first step that you do is sort the weights, vertices and the weights. The next step you do is, after sort, just go through whatever choices you want to make. Okay, so A, B, F, A, B, G. Don't close G and F, as it will form a cyclic graph, and so on. Just form up till should not form any closed uh, graph. Okay, so that is one point. And always do remember, if we take a simplest graph of just square A, B and C and D, what happens is there are 4 edges, 4 vertices. Now you do want to form a graph for the minimum spanning tree, or the minimum spanning tree for this graph. What you can do is, and what actually happens is, 1, 2, 3. Now this is your graph, minimum spanning tree. Okay, now always remember the one condition when you write algorithm you should remember is, if there are v vertices, your condition should always be v minus 1 at least. If it is less than like say v minus 2 and so on, maybe it's okay, but it should never consist of the total v then, because it forms a cyclic graph.